Okay, so we have this damit and umsu. Okay, so basically, our damit means so that or in order to. Okay, I want to study in order to get good marks in my exam. Okay,
Okay.
and umsu also means in order to. Basically, the meaning of these two are same, but the difference is in damit we use subject, as in we mention subject. As in umsu we don't mention subject. We don't use subject as in ish, do, er, ze, he, she. Okay,
Okay.
and it damit form Nebensatz, as in verb goes at the end. Okay,
Okay.
Nebensatz as in verb at end, and so yeah. Mm, umsu forms my infinite clause, as in verb do gets at the end, but in infinitive form. Okay, it is not conjugated. Okay,
Okay.
verb goes at the end with umsu, but it is not conjugated according to the subject. Okay,
Okay.
I am writing this. It is conjugated. The verb is conjugated and then goes at the end. But with umsu, verb goes at the end but not conjugated. Why not conjugated? Because in umsu we don't mention subject. And if there is no
Okay.
subject, verb cannot be conjugated.
Mhm.
Okay. Now a small difference. Umsu में subject is same, as in subject in the first sentence and the subject in the second sentence is same. And in damit, subject can be same or different. Subject can be same or different. Okay, you will get to know better when we will be doing the examples. Okay, so for example, if I want to make my sentence with umsu or damit, as in order to or so that, and if my subject is same, so I can use either umsu or damit. But if my
Okay.
subject is different, I only have damit as an option.
Okay.
Okay. Um. Now, okay. So the question that answers the umsu, as in where do we use damit and umsu, is vosu. For what? Okay. If the question asked to you relates to the for what, as in for what you are studying so much. Okay. Vosu studiert, studiert, do feel. Okay, why are you studying so much, or for what you are studying for so much? So the answer can be, the subject is same, as in do, as in ish. I will be answering as an ish, I.
Okay.
So I can frame my sentence with damit also, or and with umsu also, because the subject is same in this sentence. Yeah,
Okay.
I. Now forming the sentence first with the damit. Okay, so same ish studiere feel my Hauptsatz, the main sentence. I am studying so much. Um, okay. Then comma damit. Okay. Then you will mention your subject. Damit ish gute Noten, and my verb gets at the end, which is bekommen. Bekomme. It is conjugated according to the subject. Okay.
Okay.
This ish studiere feel is my Hauptsatz, and this damit is gute Noten bekommen is my Nebensatz. Okay.
Okay.
After this damit, I have my subject. Okay. I have my subject, and according to the subject, I am conjugating my verb. I am studying so much in order to, so that I get good marks.
Okay.
Okay. Or if I want to make this with the umsu, so ich studiere viel and this and su is not written together. After your the entire sentence will come, and with su your verb will come. Su and then your verb.
Okay.
So for examples, uh, guten noten, and my verb is bekommen. So su bekommen. Okay. Here the
Uh,
verb is in infinitive form. We don't use subject with su.
okay.
Okay, because the subject is same, as in the subject in the Hauptsatz and the Nebensatz is same. Ich studiere, ich studiere viel. Okay,
Okay.
any doubt as of now?
No.
Okay, so um, now, for example, mm, ich gehe zum Sport, um, um fit zu bleiben. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes. Or I can also write as fit zu sein, then verb comma verb. Gehe ich zum Sport. Now these two sentences I have formed with umsu, and in the Nebensatz, I don't mention the sentence which is having umsu. I don't have my subject there because the
Yes.
subject is same in whole the sentence.
Okay.
Okay, as in I go for the sport in order to stay fit, or in order to be fit I go for sport.
Okay.
Yeah, and if you start with your sentence with umsu, your verb comma verb rule will follow.
Okay.
Okay, now coming to damit sentences. Ich gehe früh schlafen, damit wir morgen früh Radfahren gehen können. Okay. Now here, um, the subject are different. Yes. With damit, I have my two option. Either I can use damit if the subject is same in the whole sentence, or if the subjects are different. Now in the sentence, my subjects are different in both the sentences. I
Okay.
go I go early for sleep. In order to we can go morning early morning cycle to ride cycle.
Okay.
Okay, so in this we have my different subject, and according to the subject this verb is conjugated according to where.
Okay.
Okay, this ish will only conjugate my verb which is being present in this sentence, and after damit the subject which is present which will conjugate the other verb. Okay,
Yeah.
I can also write the sentence with damit ish morgen früh Radfahren gehen können. Kann. Sorry.
Sorry,
Okay.
can you repeat it once?
I can also write this sentence as in ich gehe früh schlafen, damit ich morgen früh Radfahren gehen kann.
Okay.
Here I have used the same subject ish.
Okay.
Okay. Now, or you can also write, yeah, we can also start my sentence with damit. Damit wir morgen früh Radfahren gehen können. Gehe ich früh schlafen. Okay. So here again verb comma verb. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Any doubt?
No.
So basically, you can use umsu and damit when you want to speak something in your schreiben or expression that we can do this in order to do this something.
Okay.
Okay, and just pay attention that with umsu, my subject is same, and with
Mm-hmm.
damit, my subject can be same or different. These two
Okay.
things, and yeah, all that. Okay,
Yeah.
and obviously in umsu we don't mention the subject, so the verb goes at the end, but in infinitive form.
Okay.
Okay, so do you want to take the screenshot?
No, I make a note.
Okay, completed.
Yes.